Hey everybody, I'm Jake from the Reading Menchie store. A frequent question is, how do tuners work? So today, for Make Music Day, I'm going to show you. So for clip-on tuners like this Fishman and this Snark here, all you got to do is set it to vibration or microphone, whichever one you want. That's on the side here. So then it's as easy as turning on the power button, hit your string, you see it's a little bit over, meaning it's sharp, so we bring it down to pitch. And once it's on the green, you're good to go. And for a tuner like this Korg here, it has a microphone, or you can plug it into your guitar. And then same deal, hit the string, it's a little bit over, you bring it down. And you'll see that the lights indicate it's red, so it's still not there yet. And once it's fully green, you're right on the money. Thanks for watching, everybody. Make some music today.